My name is Anantya Kasturi, and this past summer, I conducted research on the use of artificial intelligence in healthcare under the mentorship of Dr. Ming-Chen Gao, and she is a computer science professor from the University of Buffalo in Buffalo, New York. So today I will be going over briefly the abstract, introduction, methods, discussion, and conclusion of my paper. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a program that allows machines to mimic human behavior. A subpart of artificial intelligence is machine learning, which is a technique that enables computers to improve at tasks without being explicitly programmed. And lastly, a part of machine learning used very explicitly in healthcare is deep learning, which is when algorithms adapt and learn from vast amounts of data. And a large part of deep learning is neural networks. When neural networks are given data, they'll give you a certain output layer, which is how they analyze data. So first on today's agenda is the abstract. My mentor suggested that I write a literature review because artificial intelligence and machine learning are both very complex topics that have little research in previous clinical settings themselves. So this research is an analysis of the benefits and the drawbacks of using aspects of artificial intelligence to improve healthcare. And with certain advancements in technology, machine learning has become a common use for artificial intelligence in various fields, especially medicine. So my paper examines the field of healthcare in which machine learning can be used and the common methods by which it is used. It also discusses the potential advantages and drawbacks of using artificial intelligence in healthcare. Some of these advantages include avoiding errors in diagnosis, choosing the most effective medication, and making data collection more efficient. However, issues include patient privacy and confidentiality, the safety of data, and the lack of patient privacy. My paper provides an overview of the way physicians used to treat their patients versus ways they can treat their parents with these new technologies. However, this review provides an overview of the way deep learning and medical imaging analysis can transform medicine in the near future. Although existing research includes methods such as neural networks, deep learning, natural language processing, and more, the structure of this review focuses on high performance medicine or the joining of artificial intelligence and human intelligence. It also includes various areas of use for deep learning, include dermatology, cardiovascular, gastroenterology, and neurology. Finally, this paper discusses the possible applications of such technology and its drawbacks in the future. Overall, machine learning and its uses in medicines can transform healthcare, which is the main focus of my paper. The methods of use that I specifically studied were dermatology, cardiology, gastroenterology, and neurology. Algorithms of deep learning and machine learning can analyze and diagnose skin cancers by comparing the algorithms of carcinomas versus melanomas, for example. They can also assess EKGs and ECGs for arrhythmias, pulmonary hypertension, and cardiomyopathy, and other cardiovascular diseases. Also, colonoscopies and endoscopies can be diagnosed and can be matched by expert gastroenterologists. And lastly, deep learning can be used to diagnose mental health disorders, map sensory issues, and provide further research in the areas of Alzheimer's and dementia. Some issues include the lack of previous studies in clinical settings, complex algorithmic inaccuracies, and data problems with interpretable, oh my God, I'm sorry. But problems with big data sets because they include more critical and theoretical understandings. And these challenging algorithms can be very difficult to interpret, which makes it hard for further research to be conducted. So my paper mainly discussed analyzing previous research and data and concluded that artificial intelligence in healthcare is a feasible and efficient solution to pursue. Although there is some resistance from patients themselves to adapt to these new ways because of data privacies, conclusions show that this technology is a valuable tool to pursue, especially in the age of COVID-19. By understanding the use of artificial intelligence in healthcare, we can promote the widespread use of deep learning on a larger scale. Specific limitations include the black box nature, which is when there is an input and an output is given, but there's gray area as to how the output is given, and algorithmic bias based on skin color in data sets when there's an underrepresentation of skin color, therefore causing algorithmic bias, and the lack of regulation and liabilities. Overall, drawbacks are being studied by other researchers to be eliminated, and the drawbacks such as patient privacy are hoping to be eliminated. Machine learning is just as or even more effective than a physician's diagnosis. It can also be an efficient treatment for those who are not able to attend appointments in person, especially amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. Our current circumstances as a healthcare community hold perfect grounds to attempt the use of artificial intelligence and analyze data. Although more research must be done on this topic, especially regarding possible obstacles, past research and data have shown that artificial intelligence is feasible and a powerful tool for the world. Working with Dr. Gao this summer was an inspiring, exciting, and rewarding experience. Walking into this project, I only knew that I wanted to major in computer science because I had a specific interest in programming. However, through this project, I learned the real-world applications of computer science and what I would hope to do in my future after pursuing my college degree. I hope to improve healthcare with the software and algorithms that can be used in artificial intelligence. Thank you, and I hope you all have a great night.